Hello friends, this is Raghav. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my Nexon EV Max battery issue, how I figured it out, what actions I took, how did Tata help me along with my dealer to resolve this issue completely. This video is very important for someone who is already having an issue with his Max battery or a Nexon battery, and for someone who's planning to purchase an electric vehicle. Please like and subscribe, share your feedback, share your comments on the video. It will help me and motivate me to give you a better content. So the complete video is as follows. I bought this Nexon EV Max in July or August 2023. For 6 to 8 months, the car was actually working very fine in terms of range, in terms of BMS, in terms of cell calibration, in terms of battery, when the car was going less than 25%, 15% or 10%. But one fine day, when I was coming from Gurgaon to Delhi, the car had a battery of 12% when I started from Gurgaon. And while reaching Delhi Kent, the battery had completely knocked off. I had to call a hop charging facility where they charged, and I finally reached back my home. At that point also, I didn't realize that this was an issue of rapid cell depletion. Post the fiasco of Delhi Kent, then I started managing my travel, where I used to charge and plan my travel for the entire day. Long story short, I did this research for 6 to 8 months. Not a proper research, but tried checking online forums, tried speaking with people, tried speaking with the existing EV users. But I was not able to get a proper answer on this rapid cell depletion post 25% or 15% or 10%. One fine day, after 8-9 months, I gave up on this and approached my service center. I bought this car from Delight Tata. They have a showroom in Nazafgarh. They have a showroom in Janakpuri and a service center in Nazafgarh. Appreciation where it is due. And before anyone comments, this is not a branded or an alliance video with my service center. Hats off to them. Reason being, the service center, the service manager Harish or Harsh, and the service executive, the specialist technical executive for electric, Mr. Balwant, they have a lot of patience. They helped me a lot for 3-4 months, for the next 3-4 months, because that's also a very interesting story coming up. So when I approached my service center, they took my car, they checked it, and after 2 days they told me that sir, the battery has to get replaced. We have checked with Tata team as well, and the battery will get replaced. I said it's fine. So in February or March, in April or May 2025 this year, they changed my battery. The battery got replaced by a refurbished Tata battery. Refurbished means it's an existing battery or an old battery with some new cells. That was the combination that they told me. Once the refurbished battery got installed, again the same issue. The issue was never rectified of less than 15% or 25%. Whenever the battery goes less than 15%, 25%, I only used to get 7, 8 or 10 kilometers maximum. Now, as I was telling you, that since the refurbished battery also was not able to solve that issue, this time I escalated to Tata, to the service desk, and told them about this issue and asked them that why this issue is coming. And after paying 7 to 18 lakh rupees, you have an agony in your mind that even if I can't get 250 odd kilometers in a car for which I purchased 17 to 18 lakhs, for Delhi to Chandigarh also I needed to charge at one place, even if I'm driving at 80 to 90 kilometers. What's the purpose of that? Post my escalation, that's when the things becomes interesting, and this is very important. Post my escalation, I think they appointed a specialist from Tata, customer service specialist from Tata team. He approached me. He understood the issue. Important was, he understood the issue. He was coordinating with my service center with Delight Tata. And finally, in the month of July or August, I finally got a new battery pack actually, which was made in July 2025. Post that, all the issues have got resolved. Now this is important because when someone purchases a car for 17 to 18 lakhs, and that to a dying phase, and that to a dying model, that agony is there, and it will always be there. That you don't get your range, you don't get your kilometers, you can't plan your travel with your family. और इट्स ऑलवेज इन योर माइंड, रेंज एंजाइटी, मेरी बैटरी ख़त्म तो नहीं जाएगी, मैं यहाँ चार्ज करूँगा, वहाँ चार्ज करूँगा. सो दैट पेन आई अंडरस्टैंड एंड आई मैनेज दैट पेन फॉर 2 years, for almost 2.5 years, and still, we plan that travel accordingly. But I never expected from Tata, that they will replace my battery. Hats off to them. Totally hats off to them. This is not a branded video with Tata or with my service center. But trust me, if that could have been some any other foreign car manufacturer, I don't know whether they would have replaced it or not. But Tata replaced the battery, and this should be the norm. And what important is that if you are having an issue with your battery pack, where 25% or 10% you're facing that issue, go to your service center, inform them, do a proper check with them, and if things are not working, write a mail to Tata. Tata will definitely help you out. Trust me, I have been an honest user. I'm not a EV influencer or a YouTube influencer. I'm just a normal guy who's trying to tell you how to solve your problem. Like करिए, subscribe करिए. It gives you motivation to make new content for you. Your feedback is very important, and trust me, I have to take out time from my job to make all this for you. So please help me. Thank you.